We are going to be discussing the YL-235A Mechatronics Trainer. So this is how it looks like. You have the VFD, variable frequency drive, where you can set your frequency of your drives like motors. You have the PLC, which is at the center of the control. We have FX3U 48M Mitsubishi Electric. Then we have the power supply, we have the inputs and outputs, then we have actuators, okay? And these are pneumatically actuated. So we are using a compressor here, sending air throughout, and then it is the air that is helping us to actuate these pistons. So once an object is detected here, you see we have a proximity sensor that detects the presence of an object. If it is metallic, then it is going to be taken here because the program is written to actuate this to actuate this in the presence of a metallic object. This is also a metal detector. Then we have a white one, a color sensor here. So once a white material reaches here, it is sorted to the other side. Let's see if a black one comes. So the presence of this item triggers on the conveyor belt. So it is going to pass metallic, it passes the white side, white colors, then it comes to the black one where it is going to be sorted. Okay, so we can show you where we have our mixing table. We have a lot of items on the table, and then there is a motor that turns to sort these items, okay, and then brings them closer here. So the presence of an item, you have a detector there, a proximity sensor, so it detects the presence of an item ready to be picked by the robotic hydraulical actuated arm. So it moves, and moves. So we have a number of items coming. Once we have started, so there we have relays. They are the ones that are helping us to create a gap inside those solenoids. So you have a gap and there is air, so the presence of a piston and a cylinder there does the opening and closing of those valves here. Okay, so when those valves open, air passes and another one closes, thereby actuating, helping us to actuate this cylinder, for example, and the piston. Yes. So you can see so for communication you can even use Profibus here. Yes, you have the RS422 here for the PLC. Okay, then you can use the RS232 to any converter that you want for you to program it with your computer. So the metallic goes there, the white plastic goes there, the black plastic goes there. So you can program this using ladder logic. You can use function block diagrams. So you are able to upload that diagram to the PLC, and then it is able to operate as desired.